Hi.
Hi there.
What are you doing?
Sitting here listening to the crickets.
Me too.
You got the night vision on.
I know. That's that guy here.
Is that is it the video for your dad?
No. Come here, get me.
What are you doing? You look evil with it. Come on, what's the night vision on you, dude? There you go.
I need a candy bar. And I'm listening to the cricket.
I zoomed way in on accident. Ooh, kisses, peep.
Okay, let's see.
That's crazy how the night vision works. Whoa, the distance on that motherfucker. We could just about be a peeping Tom with this damn thing.
That's what he would do.
God, the night vision don't look good. You look evil. Ooh, I zoomed in on you. Here, baby.
Go
Ooh,
away.
look at your eyes. That's crazy. Okay.